Hi, this is Dr. Harjani coming to you from Providence High School headquarters medical focus program here in Burbank. This is our classroom and this is where the students come. I'm the director of the medical focus program. I've been at Providence for 29 years, but it just feels like yesterday. So let's move on to what the Med Focus program does. First of all, it's a 4-year program and the students start off with 2 very important courses in their freshman year, Introduction to Healthcare and biology. So what we do with Introduction to Healthcare is we give them a broad view about how healthcare functions, personally as well as in the industry itself, in the actual department of healthcare. They get to know about the different government agencies and private agencies and volunteer agencies and everything. We dive into understanding a little bit more about personal healthcare. I give them 2 projects, one with their parents, where they have to interview for health coverage. The other one, they have to interview a healthcare professional, and they do that on their own and they get to learn so much more. One of the best things about this program is it's got 2 things good. One, the unique courses that we have to offer, which is biology, introduction to healthcare, genetics, ethics in healthcare, a whole lot of variety in 12th grade, anatomy, physiology, kinesiology, nutrition science, AP Bio, AP Chem, and so on. But the other huge thing is going over to the hospital. And going over to the hospital and visiting the different departments and taking tours of places like City of Hope and going to Holy Cross Medical Center up in Mission Hills and other places, and also viewing cadavers. That's the highlight of this program, and that makes it really unique. And the students pick up everything and they soak in as much as they can, and they get opportunities to do internships, which Mrs. Ashton is going to talk to you very soon about, and she's going to tell you what she does. And we have a lot of other projects. We have a lot of other community involvements for our students. And here is now Mrs. Ashton to tell you more about what she does. She's the coordinator of the Medical Focus program.
Thank you, Dr. Harjani, for the introduction. My name is Sona Ashton, and I'm the Medical Focus Program Coordinator at Providence High School. I have been involved with the school from 1999 as a parent board, chair of hospitality, and a member of faculty for the last 16 years. I have a degree in microbiology, and I have been working in health profession in my entire life. As a medical focus coordinator, I work very closely with the director of the program, Dr. Harjani. The freshman and sophomore students, I coordinate their field trips, hospital visits, their guest speakers, and help with their special projects. At the beginning of the year, freshman students will receive lab coats, badges from Providence St. Joseph, a special notebook from Providence Medical Focus Program, and the pin. Junior and senior students are responsible for 200 internship hours. I help them find different positions to do their internship in medical clinics, in doctor's offices, and in the hospital. I also coordinate their field trips, their special projects, their senior projects, and I log in all their internship hour, and I make sure that they have all their responsible activities done to graduate from the medical program. I also coordinate blood drives twice a year with Huntington Memorial and City of Hope. My door is always open for parents and students to come and ask questions or just to talk.
We look forward to welcoming you to the Med Focus program next year.
Welcome to Providence family.